Today I'm going to talk about how you can record your digital piano on the computer. I'm also going to talk about a program called Audacity where you can make your sound even better. So let's get started. Now, for this to work, you will need a headphone output on your piano, a line input on your computer, and a normal audio cable. So start off by finding your headphone output. It can look something like this or this. For this specific piano, I have these headphones, which I connect with this thing here. Now this is what you can do. Instead of using this output for the headphones, you can use it and connect an audio cable to your line port on your computer. For instance, on this piano, I would take these headphones, disconnect this thing, and I would connect this instead. This is just a normal audio cable in this one. And I connect this into the piano, and the other end, it goes into the computer in the line port. Now, when you connect something to the headphone output, the sound on the actual piano probably may stop because it's supposed to be in the headphones, right? I'm gonna show you two things you can do to solve this. Firstly, you could just change the setting that the piano automatically should turn off its sound when headphones are connected. Or, if your piano can record songs, you could choose to first record normally on the piano and then record on the computer while playing back your recording afterwards. Then it doesn't matter if you hear or not on the piano. Now, how do you even record on the computer? Well, let me show you. Start by finding a recording software. I recommend Audacity for this. Make sure that your cable is connected, and then in your software you choose line in as your input. If you can't find your line in, then try to make a restart of the program. Now, start recording. Whatever sound that comes out of the piano will be recorded, as you can see. Now, I recommend to have this option pretty high, and then you can change the volume on the piano. So if I change the volume up, it's going to be very loud, and if I change the volume again, it gets very low. So I recommend to change the volume on the piano so that the sound gets to around -12 decibels. Now I can stop the recording and we can listen. Now, as you can hear, there's a bit of noise, and I'm going to show you how you can remove this noise. First off, you need to find a part where you only hear noise, here for example. Then you can take this area and go to Noise Reduction. Here, get Noise Profile. Then you press Ctrl A, go over to Effects, Noise Reduction. You can change those settings depending on how much noise you need to remove. I press OK. Now, as you can hear, there's no noise anymore, and it sounds like this. If you want, you can also add a compressor. You can copy those settings, if so. And then a limiter, maybe, here, to remove some high peaks. And then you can normalize the audio. Then you can smooth out the sound waves a bit. But I'm not going to get into detail on this. Now you can choose to export this, maybe as an MP3. Save it on your computer. And there you have it. This may not work for everyone, but if it did, make sure to leave a like. Personally, I had some troubles figuring this out, so I hope this can help someone with the same problem. And of course, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'm not an expert, but I can try my best. So good luck with your recording, and I hope you have a good one. Yes, ha det jättebra, hoppas vi ses, hej hej hej.